Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset maintenance light, or if you changed your oil and you have to reset it. What you want to do, you can either start it or just move it to here, as long as you can see the screen, or you can start it all the way. If you have a push button start, you can either don't press your brakes, press 1, 2 I believe, or just start your car. I'm going to show you mine would start at the car. So as long as you're in the screen, you can be anywhere, and this is the buttons you're gonna use. So if you scroll this way, down, up, back. So when you scroll this way, you have to be in your settings. Scroll down, press vehicle settings, press and hold. It takes you here. This is tire pressure light. If you want to reset, you can check out my other video, how to reset tire pressure. But we're going to be going here, schedule maintenance, press, and then go up, yes, reset data, and reset complete. And then you can go back, and that's how you reset it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.